Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of our home decor family. Also take a look at some of our previous videos. We have some goodies on there, some that you may love. What am I saying may? Of course you will. But in today's video, I wanted to speak on dark academia. So today we're shining a spotlight on a dark and moody aesthetic trend that's seeping into the interior design world. Now it's called dark academia and you may not have heard of it. It's okay if you haven't. We are going to talk about it right now. Now it might sound spooky or like goose and goblins, but it's actually more about academics, literature, and the arts, hence the word academia. So the dark part of the time is more in reference to the darker color palettes used in this aesthetic. Okay, so don't worry, no defense against the dark arts training required to pull off this look. The dark academia aesthetic is what you might expect to find if you just instantly transported yourself into the office of a professor at Cambridge or Oxford in the 1950s, or some Gothic-era parlor being entertained by the moody and mysterious Mr. Rochester himself. Okay, I know what you're thinking. If you're anything like me, the first thing that I thought of when I saw this look was, oh my gosh, how Harry Potter-ish. That's what I first thought of. I say all that to say it's a look that's steeped in history and nostalgia with a good dash of romanticism as well. What I love about this is that this whole trend is basically a popularized social media subculture that mostly revolves, like we spoke about the celebration of classic literature, the pleasures of learning, and a real zeal and passion for knowledge. It's not a new decor style, but rather just an accumulation of various already existing aesthetics that celebrate things like old universities and big, huge, dark libraries, dimly lit offices, rich textures, all of that good stuff. So the aesthetic is one that is widely open to interpretation and self-expression. Basically what that means is as long as you combine mystery with decadence, you can really do whatever you want. It embraces dark colors, rich textures, and vintage-inspired decor. Dimly lit rooms with flickering candles and this eclectic collection of knickknacks around the room. This is all stuff that belongs in this decor style. You can have stacks of books. You can have haphazardly stacks of books. I just feel like it really works. Sophisticated artwork, images associated with literature. This is all moody and it's perfect for this style. To bring this look into your home, of course choose dark colors. Don't be afraid of black, and chandeliers tick all the boxes for this style. Even if you don't have particularly high ceilings, you can easily replicate this dramatic look by hanging a chandelier on a short chain from the center of your ceiling. That way you can illuminate your room with a light that sparks joy and wows guests. Alright friends, before we get too into it, please take a moment to comment down below in the comment section your favorite room featured in this video. There were quite a few examples, not a ton. Honestly, this design trend is still somewhat new. It's in the beginning stages, so there isn't a lot out there yet. Maybe there just aren't a lot of people that are wanting to do this style, but I do think it is one that will stick around for a while because I love it. It gives me really masculine vibes, and I just think it's a great design style to try in your home. So I have already asked you to comment your favorite room down below in the comments section and to let me know, but if you want to know what room I found striking, it was this one. It's so red and it gives me all the vibes and the feels. I feel like I would love taking a bath in here, then I would probably get scared and immediately leave. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!